Tayo.
See you guys.
Alright. Let's eat mga bossing!
Did you get your croissant?
Yeah, a little bit. I tried it.
Right?
After I left Bellflower, I said, I was crying because Cody passed away and I want to go do this survival. I said, forget it, because just go home and make this a life. Because I had big baggy shirt.
You think your life?
Yeah, I mean, I don't use the rice, but I just make it.
Only that you get like this.
Yeah. It's good, huh?
I think that's a better plan.
Joe said she's gonna give me a rice cooker when I do it. She said she got tons of it.
Patrice, do you need a big oven?
No,
You have a bed, right? You have a bed?
I live where what do you think I'm sleeping on the floor
No,
now?
I'm saying, you have a bed or you
My
have
nephew
a
said. And
No, but you said because
I
my-
bought a new couch.
My friend called me yesterday that she's getting rid of all her, you know what I'm saying? She said, you don't want it. I'm like, I don't want it.
What kind is it? Did she show you people?
The mattress and everything, she paid $2,000 for it. I don't want it, flip it and your husband or whatever wants to try it.
Heck no.
I said, no, I don't want it.
What about just the bed, is it clean?
I'm like,
Oh, that's what I got. Just the bed, is it a nice bed?
I could ask for the, she's gonna give it to me for free, so I'll ask her.
Ask her.
She told me last night.
Okay, let me see how it looks. Okay, I'll go, because I was thinking about bed.
So I'm going back to,
That's quick.
huh?
They're quick. 30.
Because I took a doctor appointment over the phone.
Oh.
So you need to bring up a little bit.
Emily is there.
And they sure, I'll take it. Emily is here early. She told me she was gonna be here till 12.
And that's why I was confused.
Right?
Yeah, you told me that. Oh, where's it? It's coming. around, they said 12. That's why I'm looking for Evan. Even.
I just call her right now.
Mhm.
You don't know anybody that, like a window installer?
My handyman. You want to try him?
Can you ask him how much does he charge for?
I'm gonna give you his number. He just did Josie's storage room. It's good.
What is it?
Yeah.
He's not pricey?
No.
You know, some people are like really pricey. They wanna make you.
Yeah, call her, then inquire. You know, then you know.
And you rather go with somebody that you know,
Yeah.
somebody
He's been
that-
doing
Good.
a lot of work for us like many years already.
Yeah, you need 3 windows to be replaced.
Or you know what? Go to Home Depot. Those people like
I don't trust them.
don't trust them. Oh.
They want, give me 300 or 350.
Yeah, I asked
And
him.
then do this and do that, and then you give them money, they don't come back the next day.
Oh yeah.
And that didn't happen to me, it happened to my neighbor. My neighbor had a patio that needed to be replaced. So he bought everything for it.
Oh yeah.
He went out to Home Depot and got 4 guys
Hmm.
to demolish the one that was there to install a new one. And the guy, apparently the guys that got hired by him,
Mm.
and why need 4 or 5 people? He's like, okay, well, let's get 5 people, 5, including you 5. He said, okay, he's like, how much you gonna charge me? And that's, he said, I want 350
The whole job
per day,
per day.
per day.
Mm.
And then, so that means it's gotta be 5 of us. So
Yeah.
he wanted 1,500 right there and then.
Wow.
And he goes, no, I'm not gonna give you that, well, just give me half.
I just tried one time for
Give
those.
me half, and he didn't come back.
Uh oh.
He went back to Home Depot, tried to look like he never showed up. He even called the police and made that report.
No.
He had cameras in his house and he showed them, he was like,
No.
well, we can already track them.
Yep.
So they said that never give no money
Unless it's done.
unless it's done.
The work is done.
And if you're gonna buy the material, you buy the material, and they have to finish it, and then you pay
Yeah.
them. They're not giving in advance. If we come to work and they don't pay us in advance,
Yeah.
they want you 8 hours here, hey, 40 hours, right?
Right. Those are different. So you need to, when the work is done, you pay.
I just need 3 windows to be installed. And if you buy the windows, it's fine, if not, I'll go buy
And
it.
make sure you're watching them
Oh, yes.
doing it. They're like, you know, rushing. I have this neighbor that they asked for like 10,000 for the artificial grass. He gave the guy 2,000. Both Mexicans. He did it very bad, so he ended up like changing everything. See?
I wanted to do artificial grass.
Yeah, that's what I did is like I do it myself too. I dig, then get the guy, the one that who's doing with us, so you can save a little bit money. He did it. Our handyman is good.
How much is charging for your grass?
I forgot. Mm-hmm. Small plane crashes, San Diego. My daughter just came from San Diego yesterday. Damn. Scary. Still, I'm still scared, right?
Every time I went to Mexico,
Huh?
my fly in was so smooth that it
What airline?
Mexican Airlines.
Mexican? It's good. Some small planes in the Philippines.
I don't Mexico. Mexico is expensive, but it's good.
In the Philippines, there's a lot of planes. Very, oh my
Went
god,
back,
scary.
look at that.
Yeah, Turbulent. Oh, look at. Damn. Damn. What's that?
They need to come up
Traffic.
with something, with things coming down, to save the lives.
They know, but
Get ejected or something, and then come down with the parachute.
yeah, they have their own. But you don't know, you know. Did you watch this video from I think 1990s? Cerritos crashes here. Is that 1990?
I heard, no, I don't know. I wasn't
Yeah.
there.
It's in the YouTube.
Babadero was telling me.
It was a traffic air traffic fault. So he switched up. They took a cigarette break. He asked the other guy to sit down and do the monitoring. The new guy. Myself.
Two airplanes or one?
No, just one. Crashed.
Now,
Because I don't know, but it's like way back 1990s is not that, you know, perfect. Those it's a traffic air controller fault. Ayos. Across San Diego. Brown rice tayo ngayon. Hmm? Good. Boss,
Ano na? Ano na ka? Oh,
crash at Cerritos.
Cerritos ba?
Yeah. May ano, Arabella.
San Diego, sira. Marunong kaya ako magbasa.
Kain ka na. Pero di mo ano tumingin kung sino si Rose.
Kailangan nagbabaksakan na ang mga lumilipad.
Yung nga, kakatakot, Tess, no?
Bakit mo umili Pilipinas?
Ako, meron pa rin akong ganun ano eh.
Ako mas natatakot ako ngayon.
Ako, di ba?
Kaya ako wala akong pinapatakutan. Lumilipad, pero plano kayo mag-air pocket ka dyan.
Anong gagawin mo, Tess? Ba ganun ang mangyari?
Siguro na lahat ng mga social security niya, lahat ng baka konti, binibigay niya sa akin pag uwi ng Pilipinas.
O, siyempre, oh. Okay.
May nangyari sa akin na sabi niya, andyan lahat, nakasulat na lahat.
Hindi, nasa vault. Ako, nasa vault lahat.
palengke, hahanapin ko. Sabi, binigay ko sa papel. Sabi ko, saan mo ka nilagay? Sabi niya, ba't di mo tinatago? Sabi ko, sabihin ko, eh bakit may nangyari ba sa'yo? Sabi niya, pag ginagawa ko. Kung saan mo rin yun, wala.
Protest, pag ganyan magka-crash, ilabas mo na yung bato mo.
Wala nga bato eh.
Yung tinatago mo. Kasi sisigaw kang Darna. Tinginan di ba? Yari ka, agawin yung pala sa'yo.
Nang isang beses nung umuwi ako ng Pilipinas, nag-uusap na din ng Pilipinas sa likod ko eh. Taasaan niya, mataas ang daalag na yan. Sarap niya, no? Taas ang daalag, no? Nag-gano na. Sabi niya, walang niya. Kahit 100 ng piso ang $1. Ayoko ng ganito.
I know. Ay, thank you Lord. Grabe oh.
Wala ko palaban namin din. Pagka...
Gusto mo saging?
Isa.
Attention all staff with any available nurse in gynecology, please call extension 2384. Any available nurse in gynecology, please call extension 2384. Thank you.